Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to reset all camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and before we will reset the settings, let me quickly turn on the green lines. So those lines, I've applied them because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now let's enter the three bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults and tap on Restore to Defaults. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.